Hey everybody, T-Rizz here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Thunderbolt 3 dock from OWC. Now, I realize that this is by no means the latest and greatest in terms of transfer speeds, and Thunderbolt 3 is not exactly new, but I picked this up as part of a Mac Rumor sale, and honestly I have, for work and things like that, I figured it wouldn't be bad to have, so again, this is by no means new. I think it came out in 2018, but figured it's worth a shot. So figured I'd make an unboxing video for you all. So here's the box, pretty compact. Specifications, one cable, connectivity for your world. So it's, despite being Thunderbolt 3, still got quite a bit of applications. So especially for, just everyday use, if you will. So let me open this up. Opens up like this. Thunderbolt quick start guide. Pretty cool. All right. So here is the dock itself. Put that down for a moment. Let's open this up. So we got quite a few cables. We have the power cable. We have, whoa, look at this thing. All right, we have the power brick. All right, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with that from cable management, but pretty hefty. Not too bad. And then of course we have the USB-C to USB-C. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this, hit the camera, put this back in. Let's take a look at this thing. Some more shrink wrap. Alright, nice metal. It's sturdy for sure. I can see this kind of getting scratched up a bit, but not bad, honestly. This is metal. Look at that. USB 3. Not bad. Well, I'm gonna give it a shot. Probably try it out with my work laptop, but yeah, I mean, again, it's Thunderbolt 3, so I'm not expecting the latest and greatest in terms of transfer speeds, but I think for general computing, it should be fine. Alrighty, thanks all for tuning in, and see you next time.